What happens when you stop eating for 36 hours? Today, we're diving into a topic that might surprise you. What actually happens when you stop eating for 36 hours? Some doctors may not openly talk about it, but fasting can have a profound impact on your body. Let's break it down. The science of fasting, 0:20 to 1 o'clock. Fasting, or voluntarily abstaining from food, has been practiced for centuries. But what happens when you extend that fast for 36 hours? The science behind it is pretty fascinating. Cut to visuals of the body's systems, digestive system, cells, etc. After just a few hours without food, your body enters a state called fasting mode. In this state, your insulin levels drop, and your body starts burning stored fat for energy. This process is known as ketosis, which is key for weight loss and mental clarity. What happens at 12 hours, 1 o'clock to 1:30? At around 12 hours of fasting, your body begins to fully shift into fat-burning mode. Your glycogen stores are depleted, and your liver starts producing ketones to fuel your brain and muscles. Cut to visuals of energy reserves, fat burning, and the liver producing ketones. This is when many people experience improved mental clarity and focus. Your body is running efficiently, using fat as its primary energy source. The benefits of fasting. Beyond 24 hours, 1:30 to 2:10. As you approach 24 hours without food, the benefits really start to kick in. This is when your body undergoes cellular repair and autophagy. Cut to visuals of cells repairing and rejuvenating. Autophagy is a process where your body clears out damaged cells, essentially recycling them. This can help reduce inflammation and may even reduce your risk for certain diseases. It's also been linked to improved longevity. What happens at 36 hours? Now let's get to the big question. What happens at the 36-hour mark? At this point, your body is in full ketosis. You've burned through most of your glycogen reserves and are running on fat for energy. Cut to visuals of body in ketosis, burning fat for fuel, energy levels increasing. Many people report feeling a surge in energy, improved mental focus, and even a sense of clarity. It's almost as if your body has reset itself. Additionally, your growth hormone levels are elevated, helping to preserve muscle mass while burning fat. Potential risks and considerations. Of course, fasting for extended periods like 36 hours isn't for everyone. For some, it may lead to headaches, dizziness, or irritability, especially in the beginning. Cut to visuals of someone experiencing mild discomfort or a headache. If you're thinking about trying a 36-hour fast, it's important to listen to your body. Always check with your healthcare provider before making any drastic changes to your diet or fasting routine, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Final thoughts, 3:30 to 4 o'clock. So, there you have it. Fasting for 36 hours can have some remarkable benefits, from fat loss and enhanced brain function to cellular repair and longevity. But remember, this type of fasting should be done cautiously and responsibly. Cut to visuals of healthy food, hydration, and self-care. Whether you're fasting for health benefits or just curious about how your body responds, make sure to stay hydrated, listen to your body, and seek medical advice if needed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and share it with someone who might be interested in learning about fasting. And as always, comment below with any questions or experiences you've had with fasting.